This is OSCR360, a tool for scene documentation, emergency planning, and continuous training. The system has two parts, a capture kit and desktop software. The software lets you build virtual walkthroughs of crime scenes, training plans, school emergency response plans, and more. You can also connect key points of interest and digital evidence within your OSCR360 projects. The capture kit includes this 360-degree camera, L-Tron's sensor tube made right here in the United States, and a ruggedized tablet to operate the hardware. If you're a member of law enforcement, you can use OSCR360 to document a crime scene and any evidence present, and then create a full walkthrough with precise location data. You can put all of this together into an OSCR project file, which you can share with your district attorney, who can then show the whole case to a jury in a format that is engaging and, most importantly, understandable. If you're a school administrator, you can use OSCR to map out your entire school campus and note the location of emergency exits, fire extinguishers, AEDs, security cameras, and more. You can use OSCR for tabletop exercises or even reunification drills without having to bring everyone to your planned site. Instead, you can document that location in 360 degrees and share it with everyone from the comfort of their own desktop computers. Fire departments love OSCR too. The HDR mode is ideal for capturing details in burned out buildings, which allows investigators to identify ignition sources. Fire agencies also use OSCR to train for emergency scenarios. Interested in seeing it in action yourself? Contact our team to schedule a free web demo and learn more about real examples of how OSCR360 has already been used by agencies all over the country.